conference to Jamaica and to my Prime Minister and colleagues. Them talk about vasism and what vasism mean. Portland is Varsland argument.
So you use your finger and swipe under your throat like you're a murderer. Are you a murderer? Have some respect for the people them will elect you and put you there. You're being a backer master and so you own them and the lands of Portland and you own it. So this is Varsland. You have one Dege High School in a West Portland named Buff Bay High School. And the people have to put on plastic bag on their shoes. When rainfall, in a Varsland, then on top of it. When I notice so when a man don't talk, the man use him finger and swipe under him neck from one side of him neck to the other. Tell me something, what that mean? Am I plan to kill somebody? Is he a murderer? Are you a murderer? Who are you planning to kill? Why would you on national television with millions of people watching, why would you indicate say you're going to cut somebody's throat? I mean, none of your own throat you're going to cut. So somebody's throat or people's throat. Are you a murderer? And the first time I see you do it, and the second time I see him do it, now may I ask the question, are you a murderer? But I tell you something, you know. Old time people used to say, fire their must till them think a cool breeze. The people of Portland, especially Western Portland, tired of the vasism. Them tired of the absentee member of parliament in West Portland. Them tired of just when election time come, them say like a road are fixed and then say like a bush and take place and a like a man I get a like a 5,000 and a like a 2,000.
I swear you. That's why I'm not lock up my life, you know. On the top of the screen for me there. Top of the screen for me there, people. Top of the screen for me there. I watch it this place in my boss. Top of the screen there, people. Top of the screen there, people. 5,000 can't move. 5,000 can't move now. Top of the screen there, people, and enjoy the money. Hear him. Watch him. Nonsense, man. All of it, you go on, everybody go on the bus and then the money share out. But nobody has mega hear somebody say one thing cause mega jump up and start custom the whole place. I know so it were.
Of Maypen, welcome Sean Barnswell to Union Town. Thank you, Comrade Mario. Let me greet Comrade Mark Jefferson Golden, Comrade Dayton Campbell, and all the comrades in Union Town, the comrade workers and warriors of Union Town. This is the day the Lord has made. Let us rejoice and be glad in it. What a wonderful day it is. I must also congratulate my brother and friend, Comrade Delroy Dawson, the victor for this election by election. We have worked tirelessly to bring it home. They come at us with everything possible. For the PNP, through organization, stood tall and above all things. I want to say to you, comrade, we saw what can happen in the general election. And we have to prepare ourselves. We have to work harder. We have to find the comrades them and stay close to them. I want to big up Comrade Wave Lines, the next member of parliament for Northern Clarendon. I want to big up all the comrades who work to make this a reality. And I say to you, comrade, that I'm so happy, I'm so elated for this victory. Not only for Comrade Dawson, but for Comrade Mark Jefferson Golden, who have 2 elections that he won in 1 year. February 24, and now we won 2 by-elections in Union Town and the Morant Bay Division. So let me hear it for Comrade Mark Golden. It's a victory. Victory for Comrade Mark Golden. Comrade,